caramel from scratch. Welcome to Ashton's Crunchy Kitchen. This caramel is made with Eagle brand sweetened condensed milk. That's all. Just one ingredient. So there's a technique to this, you guys. First, you want to get two different baking dishes out. You want a smaller baking dish and a larger baking dish. All right, now that you have all your supplies ready, make sure to put your oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're going to put our sweetened condensed milk into our smaller dish. That doesn't taste good out of the can to me. This is where the technique comes in, if that's what you want to call it. Get some tinfoil and cover the small dish with tinfoil. Now you want to take some water and fill the second pan up 3/4 of the way with the water. Now you want to put this dish in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour to an hour and a half, but you do want to check on it periodically. Well, you want to check to make sure the water's not dwindling too much. But anyways, let's put this caramel in. And while we're waiting on that to get done, I wanted to tell you guys some exciting stuff. I started taking Primal Queen supplements. I've been taking them for about a week, and it says that after about a week, you'll start to feel more energetic. And man, you guys, I cleaned my whole house today, took my child outside, and I'm still ready to be in the kitchen cooking something sweet and also maybe cooking dinner tonight. We'll see. But I definitely feel more energetic. So I can't say enough good things about Primal Queen. And I'm really looking forward to the fact that I'm pretty sure that it's supposed to help me lose weight and help my skin look better. So I'll keep you guys updated. Another exciting thing, you guys, our plants are growing. We had a hiccup with the cilantro. It's not gonna do good, but we've accepted that. We'll try again next year, or maybe next week, who knows? We'll keep you updated on that too. But check out these plants, you guys. We had to harvest them and we are using them in our dishes. This is so exciting. Anyways, that's all the updates I have for you guys. I'll see you in a minute when we check this dish to make sure that there's still enough water in there. This stuff is smelling so good. We're halfway through. Let's check it and make sure that the water is still there and everything's looking good. Okay guys, see, the water is still there, so that's good. We don't have to add any more. If the water was lower, you would want to add some more water to the bottom dish. But this dish is good. There's no need to add any more at this point. See you back in another 30 minutes. This caramel is ready. Let's take it out. Oh, it smells so good. Be careful because you don't want to burn yourself. This is hot. But let's take this tinfoil off and look at this caramel. Our next step is going to be to transfer it into something that we're going to keep it in. I'm going to keep this in a mason jar. You can pair this caramel with whatever you want to pair it with. I'm going to pair it with an apple. Okay guys, now let's try this caramel. That is so good, you guys. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's a thumbs up from me. If you like the content that you saw today, make sure to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you want to see more of. Until next time. See you back in another 30 minutes.